This 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features a beige, dark maple interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, stovetop burner, DVD player, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, mid-living area, rear bath. This 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 4018 is built on a Freightliner XC Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.